Hello. I'm here again, here to do some maths. Fred, where are you? Very excited today. Okay, so here to do some maths, Fred.
Yeah.
And what we like to do first is we like to warm up our brains. Yeah?
Yeah.
And we're going to do that with another song. But today we're going to sing a groovy song.
Oh.
I think he likes the groovy song. Okay, so I'm going to do the singing.
Yeah.
And you're going to do the groovy dancing. Okay, right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 and 14 and 15 and 16 and 17. 18 and 19 and count up to 20 and that's us done. We counted to 20 and that is the end of our groovy song. Wow. Not bad little dance moves, are they? Well done, Fred.
Thanks.
Did you like that? I think you did. Okay. Wow. You'll like this as well. So, today we're going to look at number bonds. I'm going to do some number bonds to 10. Okay, and a number bond, okay, is two numbers that when they're added together, they make a whole number, okay? Right, here we go. Are you coming with me, Fred? I thought you would. We're going this way. All right, here we are. I'm going to bring this forward so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. Oh, Fred.
What?
Knocking all my things on the floor. Yes, I know. Right, okay, so I'm still going to use my part whole for my number bonds. So I need to write number 10 at the top here. Okay, a 1 and a 0. Got that, Fred?
Yeah.
Brilliant. All right then. So I also need some bricks. So just remind me, Fred, how many bricks am I going to start with?
10.
Yeah, 10. Okay. We're doing number bonds to 10. We've got to have 10 bricks. I'm going to start with my red bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bricks, Fred.
Yeah. Hey, good counting, Mrs. Jones.
Tar very much. All right, okay, so here we go. So I need to split it into 2 parts for my number bond to 10. So I'm going to put some bricks in part 1, in my first part. And then I'm going to put the rest of my bricks in the second part.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's how we do our number bonds to 10. So, Fred,
Yeah.
need you to count.
Okay.
Okay. All right, okay. So, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to do the counting?
Yeah.
All right, here we go then. Off you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ta-da! 12.
12?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm a bit confused. How can it be 12 if it's number bonds to 10 when we said in our other lessons that the numbers in the 2 parts were smaller than the whole? Well, 12's bigger.
Oh.
What's happened?
I definitely counted 12.
You definitely counted 12. Oh, I think I know what went wrong. Fred, first of all, you've got to say the numbers out loud.
I did.
You did. Okay, so we said the numbers out loud. Oh, hold on a minute. You have to point to a number.
Yeah.
Or point to an object.
Yeah.
And say the number.
Yeah.
Right? But you can't say another number till you point to the next object.
Oh.
I think we'll try again. Are you ready, Fred?
Yeah.
Right. Don't count
No.
until I point to the next brick.
Okay.
Right. Ready?
1,
Okay.
2,
Brilliant.
3,
Yeah.
4.
4. You know he's right, don't you? You've already counted them. Right. Shall we do the next one then? Second part.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Fantastic. I'm going to do a number sentence. Okay, great counting, Phonics. Fred. 4, add, and what did you get for that one?
6.
6 is the same as 10. So that's one of our number bonds to 10, Fred.
Yeah.
4 and 6 is 10. That's our first number bond. Shall we see if we could do another number bond to 10?
Yeah. It's a lot of them.
Well, it's quite a few. So here's another number 10. Right, let's get some blue bricks.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Brilliant, we've got our 10 bricks, Fred.
Yeah, because we're doing number bonds to 10.
We are doing number bonds to 10. Right, I'm going to put some bricks in my first part.
Yeah.
I'm going to put right. Well, you're so good at counting now.
I am.
You are. So are you going to help me again?
Yeah. I know what to do now.
Do you now? Okay.
I won't count until you move and point to the next brick.
Oh, he knows how to do it now. Are we ready then?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. I'm going to put that under there.
That's a good idea. I won't forget.
You won't forget. Right, shall we do the next one?
Yeah.
1.
I'm counting.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 4. You can write that in a number sentence.
You can.
I can. 6 add 4 is the same as 10.
Wait a minute.
What's the matter, Fred?
They're the same numbers as last time.
Oh, let's have a look then. Right, we use the number 4 and number 6. Oh yeah, we use the number 6 and 4. Oh yeah. So 4 and 6 makes 10.
Yeah.
And 6 and 4 makes 10.
Yeah.
Hey, it's good this, isn't it? So you can even turn the numbers around and you still get the same answer.
Yeah.
Wow. Shall we do another one?
Yeah.
Because there's lots of different ways for your number bonds.
Yeah.
Right. Do you want to pick a number smaller than 10?
Okay. 2.
2. Yeah, that's definitely smaller than 10. So if I put them in there, because I've got my 10 red bricks, haven't I?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put the rest on this side, and we'll have a bit of a count up and see what number bond we get this time.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to do the counting?
Yeah, I'm good at counting.
Good at counting. Right, are you ready then?
Yeah. 1, 2.
2. I'm going to write the number 2 under there. You ready? Now it's the second part.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ooh, I'm going to write my number sentence. 2 add 8 is the same as 10. So that's another number bond. 2 and 8 makes 10.
Yeah.
Wow. I think you've worked really hard today, Fred.
Thanks.
Okay. I'm going to push that back a little bit. Right, let's go maybe close that. Okay. So that's some number bonds to 10.
It is.
It is. But there's lots more to find. Okay. So that's what I want you to do at home. I want you to get some bricks or some toys or anything you like. You can use your part whole. But I want you to try and make some sums and some number bonds that make 10. That's 2 numbers that makes 10 when you add them together. Okay, so I want you to come up with your own number bonds to 10 and see if you can have a go yourself. All right then. Bye.
Bye.